up, y'all? JustZay here, back to give another review, and I am super duper excited about this one because finally enough time has passed where I can tell you guys about each and every shoe that you see here before me, what it is I like, what it is I love, and what it is I think that they should work on for the next version. And we're gonna start this thing off by telling you guys what the best shoe is out of the bunch, and that is hands down the Nike VOMERO 18s. These shoes right here are not only the best shoe from Nike, these are the best shoes out right now. Now, I will tell you why in just a moment. In the meantime, I want to talk to you about each one of these other shoes and let you know what my thoughts are, as well as two other honorable mentions. So, you guys stay tuned. Now, out of everything you see here, the shoe that I think is probably the one that I went back on my initial review is going to be these right here. These are, of course, the Nike PEGASUS 41. Now, what this shoe has going for it is its price point. Retail, you are looking at roughly $145 ship. However, if you do a little bit of a hunting, you might be able to get them in a size that you love, and that, or at least a size to try these on, that's going to put you below retail. I was able to snag these up for $54 shipped. Not shipped, $54 from the outlet. And the thing this shoe has going for it is going to be the price point. The thing that I dislike is the way that the cushion just runs out right about here. Now, they say these are a daily runner shoe. Just for me, based on how I was able to use these and what I got from these are going to be your casual everyday shoe that you walk in. I don't know if I were running these every day, because I've only had these for a little while and it's already starting to feel as if right in this area, when you run about a mile or so, you kind of notice that you're wearing shoes. And to me, when it comes to a pair of shoes, at least a comfortable pair, it's supposed to not make you feel as if you are wearing shoes. Would I buy these again? Yes, I have 2 pairs. Next are going to be these bad boys right here, which I paid retail for. I did a video for these not too long ago, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I love these for what they are. Now, what these are, these shoes right here, the VOMERO Plus, this is gonna be strictly for the guys that and the women that are gonna run on the treadmill or actually run on concrete. Because these right here, the way these feel, the amount of cushion and everything, it's perfect for the treadmill. It's perfect for hard surfaces. Now, as far as the casual walking, I mean, you can. It takes a second to get used to, but I think these, to get the maximum use out of these, you're gonna have to run with these on the treadmill. Would I buy these again? If they're on sale. I don't know if I'll pay retail again, but if I caught these on sale, maybe somewhere around 120, I would do that. And I only say that because I have so many other pair of shoes. Next up, we have the Air Structure 26. This is the shoe that surprised me out of the bunch, because I was not expecting this shoe to be what it is, and I fall in love with this shoe. This is probably my second favorite shoe out of everything you see here, simply because this is an all-around shoe that you wear anywhere. I mean, you can wear this at the gym. You can wear it. It's stylish enough. You can wear this on a date night. You can wear this at a festival. It's comfortable. You have Nike React X Tech, which, you know, the more pressure you put on it, the more you get out of it. This is a great shoe. What this shoe has going for it is it's versatile. They say this is a structure shoe. Stability, and that's exactly what this is. As you can tell, let me see. You guys see that? Hold on, the camera's jerking. All right, there we go. As you guys can see right here, it says midfoot support system right here. Now, the only thing I dislike about this shoe is, I don't know. I don't have any dislikes. This is right around 140, and I would buy these again. I mean, at retail, if I saw a colorway that I really loved, what is my dislike? I don't think I have a dislike for these shoes. Now, as I was telling you guys, what the best is right here, VOMERO 18s. These shoes right here, you can run on the treadmill with these. It doesn't feel as good as these. It still feels great. Still feels great. But these are stylish, and these feel like you're walking on clouds, man. Better than the Yeezys. Best shoe out in the game right now. Now, the honorable mention is going to be the shoe I did a review for earlier, which is going to be the Nike Journeys. I was able to scoop these bad boys up for $54 shipped, and retail is $90. Now, this right here, this price point is for anybody that's like, I just can't cough up 100, man. So this shoe right here is going to be for you, especially if you get these on the retail. I mean, retail is 90, but if you can get these things for half of that, you're not gonna be disappointed. And then the other honorable mention is going to be these bad boys right here. Now, this is the shoe right here that already kicked it off, that made me want to start running again. These are, of course, the Nike Invincible Run 3s. And amazing amount of boost right here. It does die down just a little bit, and the only thing I take away from this shoe is that the amount of comfort right here just doesn't last as long as I would like it, but still a great shoe. This is going to be the casual runner. I'm saying maybe 2 miles daily, and you're gonna love these, and you can wear these casually. Now, I've done a video already for each of these shoes individually, and I'll put in the description each of those shoes, so you guys can look back at those if you want to take a look and see more in depth of what I initially thought and how it compares to how I feel now. But right now, I just want to show you guys more or less of what I've shown you in other videos, how responsive each of these are. See? Like I'm telling you, when you're walking in the VOMERO 18s, it's just like clouds, baby, clouds. Now, when you're walking in the VOMERO Plus, it gives you like, you're walking on pillows. You know, you kind of notice the height when you're walking. Like, it's a little bit of an adjustment, but you get used to it. It's no problem. Now, when you come on down here to the PEGASUS 41s, it's not bad. It's not bad, but it just doesn't, it instantly doesn't feel the way it did initially. Now, how does that compare to the structures? These things right here, man, I really love these. I really love these, man. And like I said, the structures, these basically pick up where the PEGASUS left off at. And the funny thing is, they're both React X tech, you know? So it's just about, it really comes down to support, I believe. And you can feel the support a little bit right here in the middle, but not in a bad way. And I think that's what makes the shoe. Now, down to the honorable mentions. My first love, of course, what got me back into running. Oh, give me 1 second. We gotta switch shoes. Let's look like I got runners on. Now, these are a bit bulky, at least in how they look, but how it feels, man, amazing, amazing. I love the Invincible Run 3s. I think that these would just remain as my casual wear, simply because after I know how it feels when I've worn down a pair, I wore down my blue pair, and I can just feel it just a little bit. It's like the cushion's just not there. But these are like my pick-me-up shoes. Like, I wear these on like a rough day. You know, if I had a rough day prior, I put these on, boom, I'm feeling good. And these right here, these I'm gonna reserve for when the weather breaks. These are gonna be always my changing season shoe, because I just love the fact that I know I probably won't ever run into anybody wearing these shoes, or at least the same color as me at the same time. Because these are borderline sleepers, especially if you get these for $50, man. So, oh, real quick. Did a video for these a while back. I had forgot to tell you about these shoes right here. These are what I was referring to. Well, one of the pair of shoes I was referring to when I said that this shoe already came out years ago, and they barely improved it. And that's what this is. And these are, of course, is a different version. You may not have seen these. These are the, what are these? The 10th collab. But it's just sad, man, because I really had high hopes for these, you know. And I'll be honest, if somebody was to put these on blindfolded, I don't think you could tell the difference. I don't think you can tell the difference. At least how fitting is. The fitting is exactly the same. These both run small, so you need to half a size up, and you barely feel the React Tech on these, you know. And